You need cash. You put your card in, but the machine says no.
No cash, no food, and the bank is closed.
You try to open an account, but the words are like a foreign language.
I lost my card.
Or worst of all, you lose your card. Panic sets in.
Don't panic. Learn the difference. Current or savings.
Withdraw with confidence. Spend with joy.
Master your money. Master your life.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Global Podcast. I am Anna.
And I am Michael. We are investing our time in episode 17 today.
Michael, are you good with money or are you a spender?
Oh, I am terrible. I try to save, but then I see a new gadget or a nice watch, and my money just disappears. I'm definitely a spender.
I am the same. I go into a shop for one thing and I come out with 5 bags. My bank account hates me.
It's a common struggle, but knowing how to handle money in English is essential. Whether you're traveling or living abroad, you need to deal with banks.
Exactly. And banking vocabulary can be scary. Overdraft, withdrawal, exchange rate. It sounds like a different language.
Today, we'll make it simple. We'll learn how to open a bank account and choose the right one.
We'll learn how to survive using an ATM, automated teller machine.
And we'll talk about currency exchange, how to get the best deal when you travel.
Plus, we have a grammar focus on the first conditional for talking about money situations. If I save, I will buy.
So, let's get rich in knowledge. Please like this video to deposit their support and subscribe for high interest.
Part 1. At the bank. Opening an account.
So, Anna, imagine you move to a new country. You need a bank account. You walk into the bank, what do you say?
I would say, I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Simple. But then the clerk will ask, what type of account would you like?
This is where it gets confusing. In the UK, they say current account. In the US, it's a checking account.
Right. This is for everyday money, paying bills, buying coffee. It usually comes with a debit card.
And then there's the savings account. That's for keeping money for a long time, right?
Yes, it usually has a higher interest rate. That means the bank pays you a little money for keeping your money there.
I need a savings account with a lock on it so I can't touch it.
Me too. They also ask for ID and proof of address. That's usually a bill with your name on it.
Part 2. Using the ATM. Withdraw and deposit.
Okay, let's talk about the ATM. In the UK, they call it a cash point.
I love ATMs, but I hate the fees. So what are the key verbs here?
To take money out, we say withdraw. I need to withdraw $50.
And to put money in, we say deposit. I want to deposit this check.
And if you just want to see how much money you have, you check your balance.
My balance is usually lower than I expect.
And be careful with your PIN, personal identification number. Never tell anyone.
What happens if I put the wrong PIN in 3 times?
The machine might swallow your card. Then you have to go into the bank and ask for it back. It's very embarrassing.
Oh no, I have done that. I forgot my PIN. It was a nightmare.
Part 3. Vocabulary and Grammar Deep Dive.
Let's count our words. Here is our vocabulary deep dive.
First word, currency. Definition, the system of money used in a particular country. Dollar, euro, yen. Example, what is the currency in Thailand?
Next is exchange rate. Definition, the value of one currency for the purpose of conversion to another. Example, the exchange rate for the dollar is very good today.
A scary word, overdraft. Definition: a deficit in a bank account caused by drawing more money than the account holds, spending money you don't have. Example: I went into my overdraft to pay for the car repair.
Next is fee. Definition: a payment made to a professional person or body in exchange for advice or services. Example: this ATM charges a $5 fee.
And finally, budget. Definition: an estimate of income and expenditure for a set period of time. Example: I need to stick to my monthly budget.
Grammar focus, first conditional. Now for the grammar. Money is all about cause and effect. If I do this, that will happen.
Exactly. We use the first conditional for real possibilities in the future. The structure is if plus present simple, comma, will plus base verb.
Let's see an example. Example: if I save money, I will buy a new phone.
Or the negative: if you don't pay the bill, you will get a fine.
Can I put the if part at the end?
Yes, I will buy a new phone if I save money. Note, no comma if is in the middle.
What about when?
When means you are 100% sure. When I get paid, I will pay you back. I'm sure I will get paid. Compare if I get paid, maybe I won't.
So use when for payday. Part 4. Interactive role play at the bank.
Now let's practice. Imagine you're at a bank counter.
I am the bank clerk, teller. You are the customer. First, listen to Michael.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to withdraw $200 from my checking account, please.
Do you have your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Now it's your turn. I'm the clerk. I want you to say you want to exchange money, you want to change dollars to euros. Ready? Hello, what can I do for you? Did you say it? I'd like to exchange some dollars into euros, please.
Let's try one more. Tell me you want to check your balance. How can I help?
Could you please check my balance?
Excellent. Being polite with your money is important.
Part 5. Cash versus card, the modern dilemma.
Michael, do you carry cash, coins, and notes anymore?
Hardly ever. I use my phone or my watch to pay. Contactless payment is so easy.
It is dangerous, though. It doesn't feel like real money. You just tap, 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 and you are poor.
That is the trap. But cash is still king in some places. For street food or small markets, you often need small change.
Small change. That means coins, right?
Yes, always keep some coins for the bus or tips. Don't try to pay for a $2 coffee with a $100 bill.
They will hate you. Do you have anything smaller?
Exactly. Be prepared.
Conclusion. We are rich with vocabulary now.
We learned about current versus savings accounts.
We mastered ATM words like withdraw, deposit, and balance.
We practiced the first conditional, if I save.
And we admitted that we are both spenders, not savers.
Now, here's your 15-minute action plan. Check your wallet.
Do you have foreign currency or coins? Look at them. Say the names in English: penny, dime, cent, pound, euro.
Then write one first conditional sentence about your money goal. If I save $100, I will.
And before you go, we have a question for you.
Do you prefer paying with cash or card, and why?
Tell us in the comments. Example: I prefer cash because it helps me budget.
Or, I prefer card because it's faster. Let us know.
Thanks for banking with us today.
See you in the next episode of the English Global Podcast. Bye.